Guys, welcome back to Raw Machines. So today we're just going to do part one of the Land Cruiser hj47 refurb. So we'll just do a bit of an overlook of everything that's happening and yeah, go from there. So basically, you know, just taking the body off, taking the air filter housings off, stuff like that. We will be taking the motor out of it so we can do the chassis, get that sandblasted. Obviously, you know, clean all the gearbox up, replace the handbrake shoes there. It's just a complete mess. Yeah, and then go from there really. Like, we'll do diffs, wheel bearings, different tyres, put the lift in it, put the new exhaust on it. Once it's on the road, we'll put the 12H turbo in it. And yeah, basically it'll just be a bit of a series on the progress of it. As you can see, we got the body off, so got a tiny bit of rust there, and then come over here, and of course we've got rust on the most awkward spots ever, but you know, it is what it is. It's a car resto, it can't be easy. So there's a bit of rust there, so we'll have to fix that up, and we'll sandblast all underneath there. Obviously on this windowsill here, there's a little bit of rust there. That won't be too bad. It's not too bad everywhere else. So obviously we'll be placing master cylinder, clutch master. Yeah, we'll do alternator. We'll get it to external regulation instead of a internal regulator. Yeah, I don't know, we'll see how we go. I might put power steering in it yet. But the body is not too bad inside. It's only that bit of rust in the corner there, so that's not too bad. Drain hole over there, and yeah, put all new rubbers in it. She should be good. So what we're going to do today is we'll just clean this diesel tank up, make sure there's no holes in the tank, and clean this protector up here, and yeah, see how we go. Righto guys, as you can see, it's a pretty dirty job. So anyway, most of it didn't come off as well as I thought it would. It's obviously to do with the 30 years of build up and never had a wash, but anyway. what do you do? Well, that's just stuck on there. But this didn't come up too bad. That there, it's a patch down here that's just stuck on. I'll have to wire brush or chip that off. But it didn't come up too bad. At least we can repair our bloody surface now. We'll give that sender there a bit of attention. But yeah, this will come up alright. Sandblast and a bit of a paint. Should be fine. But yeah guys, that's just a bit of progress on the fuel tank this week. Each week we'll just focus on a part and see how we go basically. But anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Cheers.